officially welcome you to my kitchen. So, are you an explorer who loves to create or recreate different types of snacks or food? Or maybe you are there who aspire to be a professional chef. You want to be a chef, you want to learn how to make different types of snacks, different types of food from the comfort of your home. Or perhaps you want to learn different types of food, snacks from the comfort of your home for homemade purpose. Then I'm telling you for free today that this channel is basically organized and designed for you. So without much ado, I would love you to please subscribe to this cooking channel by hitting the subscription button down below. It's by your right ear. Make sure to hit the subscription button and do not forget to turn on your post notification in order to get notified subsequently. I'll see you guys in my next video. Once again, you're Celeste's Kitchen. Stay tuned and don't touch the dial. Bye.